Menta kasngi ka khatlai tarik urisau arhajar arpoar ka komiti bakerpang ka baka sorkar kalathung banyadai kiwa menta kasngi kalayashong banyakran kumno banle banyadai ki kiwa hakane ka jilla Meghalaya hakane ka jingalang menta kasngi lawanra eka kaipon bakidon kumbalai spa sanpwei tili kiwa kibala jabo nakite kiwa kidon nyau tili kiwa kibala jabo shabapalan hakane ka jilla bat kita kilong ka Wahumkhrah Umsherpi Wahumkhrah Naba Umtro Lukha Badmintru Katkum ka hukum jong ka NGT ka balami ka khatnyau tarik ubanai bakhandai arhajar khatphra lathung ya ka rejuvenation committee batkane ka committee ka lapankhre ikilat jingyada yagite ki nyau tili kiwa ki balajabo shabapalan.
Urban department is coming up with some infrastructure. Then we had recently, Anand Maligawad was here, myself, our PCCF and HOF, we took a ride and we went to the neck of that point. So there also we have seen that there's some sort of algal bloom is happening, which is not at all good for a river or a lake system. Siltation is not an issue, it's a myth. Because unless the siltation crosses 10% of the gross volume available free of the sedimentation, then you do not need siltation. Now in Ummiam, as per the web cost studies, they say about it is 4.7% only. So what we have to do, without being repetitive, that we need to take care. Now, number two is the settlement which has come up, Ummiam, then Ummiam, and other localities. There are a lot of farming take place, fertilizers are used, so we are also recommending on those. Then while construction, the debris comes down, this is one. Forest Department, again KHADC land, otherwise the Forest Department was ready to take up plantation even in those islands which have come up. Then we have seen some construction which has taken place absolutely on the lake. Some guest houses of council and others. So we have recommended all these in our first report which we had submitted. So High Court also appreciated, but they feel more should be done. But number one, Wahumkhrah, Umsherpi, unless these two are treated, we cannot do anything regarding Ummiam.